In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in HubSpot. Whether you're an experienced sales professional or just starting out, having an effective sales pipeline is essential for managing your leads and closing deals efficiently. So grab your cup of coffee and let's dive into setting up your pipeline in just 5 minutes. First things first, head over to the HubSpot website. If you're not already familiar with HubSpot, it's a powerful customer relationship management tool that helps you organize contacts, deals, and so much more. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will present you with a few login options. For simplicity, you can sign in with your Google account, which saves time compared to manual entry. After selecting your account, you'll be transported to the heart of HubSpot's CRM. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate through the interface. Look to the left panel for the CRM option. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the CRM section. Once there, your next step is to tap on the Deals option. This area is where all your current deal information resides, giving you an overview of ongoing won or lost deals. For a better visual of your sales process, you'll want to change your view. Towards the top left of the page, you'll find an icon with 6 dots. Click on these to switch to the board view. This view resembles a Kanban board, making it easier to move deals between stages and visualize their progression through your sales pipeline. Next, to customize your sales process, look for the Sales Pipeline dropdown. A quick click will reveal more actions you can take. Here, you'll select Edit Pipelines. This option gives you the creative freedom to configure your pipeline as you see fit. You might notice preset stages that you can adjust based on what makes sense for your sales strategy. Each business is unique, and this is your chance to tailor these stages accordingly. Once you're in the pipeline management interface, you'll see all current stages in your pipeline. You can rename existing stages, reorder them, or even remove any that aren't applicable to your process. Simply drag and drop the stages as needed. At the bottom of the list, there's an option to add stage. Clicking on this lets you introduce new steps into your sales funnel, ensuring it follows the precise workflow you and your team need. By the end of this process, you will have a comprehensive and customized sales pipeline in HubSpot that's ready to help you efficiently track and manage your sales activities. Congratulations on taking this definitive step towards improving your sales efficiency. As always, let us know if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy selling!